Have you ever wondered how to properly prune your plants? Pruning is essential for promoting a plant's health and encouraging its growth. Different plants, though, require different pruning techniques. In the next couple of minutes, we will guide you through the basic pruning techniques for various types of plants. First up, we have the deciduous trees, which are the ones that shed their leaves annually. Pruning these types of trees is best done in late winter or early spring. This is when the tree is dormant and the absence of foliage allows for a clear view of the tree's structure. Start by removing any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. This not only improves the tree's appearance but also prevents the spread of disease. Remember, pruning deciduous trees at the right time and in the correct manner is crucial for their health and growth. Now, let's move on to flowering shrubs, a beloved addition to many gardens. The ideal time to prune these beauties is just after they've finished blooming. This timing helps to maximize their flowering potential for the next season. When it comes to technique, take care to maintain the shrub's natural shape. Remove only the dead or overgrown branches, allowing the plant to thrive without being over-trimmed. With these tips in mind, proper pruning will ensure your flowering shrubs bloom beautifully each year. Last but not least, we have evergreen trees, known for their year-round greenery. The best time to prune these beauties is late winter or early spring, when they're still dormant. The focus should be on removing only the dead or diseased branches. Be careful not to alter the tree's natural shape too drastically. Remember, less is more when it comes to pruning evergreens. With the correct pruning techniques, your evergreen trees will remain healthy and vibrant throughout the year. And there you have it, the basic pruning techniques for different types of plants. Remember, proper pruning fosters healthy growth and vibrant blooming. So dig in, get your hands dirty, and bring out the best in your garden. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy pruning!